Hello viewers, have a good day. Welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial we will know the second part of the basics of ArcGIS software. And in this tutorial we will learn some new aspect within this ArcGIS. So within this tutorial we will learn data export, projection setting system, change projection, extract some selected features, union, merge, dissolve, clip feature, buffer feature, as well as we can, and also we'll learn export image, how we can image export. Okay, so let's start with the data export. So you can see here, this is within this layer panel we have two images. One is the India state boundary and this India district. So if I uncheck this India state boundary, you can see the district wise the country. If you want, now the question is that we have this shape file, but I want only, I want only the state boundary of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, so how can I extract only Madhya Pradesh from here? So before you can say extracting any file, I can easily label off each you can say individual state name, like simple right click here and simply click here the label feature. Okay, so you can see here the Madhya Pradesh. Not only that, you can select by two options. One option is there, you can see here this selected feature. This is actually have within this you can say this is a tool, that is the tools. Okay, this is the shortcut tools. Okay, so with this tool we can select any you can say shape file from this figure. So you just select this select feature, simply click here and click on Madhya Pradesh. So you can see here your selected you can say the feature, or you can say shape file already selected. Okay, so you can see here the clear selection. That means if I click here again, you can see here the selected feature again clear. So if I want to select again this Uttar Pradesh, then you can simply click here. This you can say figure already selected. If I click on this clear feature, so that feature will be unselected. Okay, this is the main you can say thing. So otherwise we can also select by the help of, you can see here, just click here, go to open a table, and you can see here the different state name. Okay, for example, if I want to select Jharkhand, simply click here. Okay, simply click here. So you can see here the Jharkhand state boundary is selected. Similarly, if I want to select on Himachal Pradesh, simply click here. So only Himachal Pradesh selected. Okay, so selection procedure you can easily, I think, understand. So the thing is that I want to export only Madhya Pradesh from this figure. So how can you do? So search Madhya Pradesh here, simply click here, or otherwise you can use this select feature. Okay, so after that you can simply click here India state boundary. Okay, then go to data, and with this data you can see here export data. Click here and you can see here the output feature class. So where you want to save your output data, so navigate this. So I want to you can say save my file within this Google map. Okay, I want to create another file that is like arc2. Okay, so within this file I will want to save all this file, whatever will work within this tutorial. Okay, simply select this and write only MP, that means Madhya Pradesh. Okay, then click on save, then click on OK, and now the one dialog box will appear and ask you to add this layer within this existing layer. So just click on yes. Okay, now I can uncheck this India state boundary. Okay, so you can see here only Madhya Pradesh is there. So I can use this button for this full extent. Otherwise you can click on Madhya Pradesh and simply click on zoom to layer. So only Madhya Pradesh boundary you can see here. So by this way you can extract anything. Okay, now we'll learn how to change projection. So for that you can simply go to this arc toolbox. Within this arc toolbox you can see here data management tool. Enlarge this Within this data management tool, you search project and transformation. So we can enlarge this. So this is projection and transformation. Click here, select the raster, and you can see within this raster there is a project. Simply double click here, project. So input dataset or feature class. So the present dataset, that is the MP, that means I want to change the projection of MP. Okay, so you should select only that among these 3 layers. Okay, so you can see here input coordinate system, that means the MP, that means this shapefile has coordinate system is GCS, that means geographic coordinate system 1984. After that you should assign the output folder. So here you want to save this. So output dataset or feature class, select where you want to save this. So I want to select Google Map. Okay, this arc, and simply write here, click on OK, save. And the output coordinate system, that means in which projection system I want to convert my previous from my previous coordinate system. So I want to convert this WGS to UTM projection. So simply click here. So you can see here this XY coordinate system. Okay, so I simply click here within this projected coordinate system. Okay, click here, and here I want to mention one thing. Within this projection system, you can see here favorite WGS 1984 UTM 45 north. That means this you can say this MP, that means this WGS 1984, that is the WGS projection or coordinate system, and its favorite UTM projection is 1945, sorry, the UTM 45 north. So you can directly select here, or we can search within this from the projected coordinate system. So within this projected coordinate system, you should select the UTM. Within this UTM, go to WGS 1984 and then northern hemisphere. Because our study area is located within this northern hemisphere, so you should select your hemisphere, and you should know your UTM zone. Okay, so you know that our UTM zone is WGS 1984 UTM zone 45. Okay, so I simply select this, then click on OK, and then simply click on OK. So process is going on. So project system already done. So we can see the within this catalog, Google Earth, Arc Toolbox, you can see here MP UTM zone. So simply click here and drag it here. So I want to uncheck this. So you can see here UTM projection. So I want to again click here, go to properties, and now you can see here projection coordinate system, that is WGS 1984 UTM zone 45N. Okay, and unit is meter. So our save file already changes its projection from the WGS 1984 to UTM projection. Okay, so next thing I want to learn from here, I want to teach you, that is I want to click here zoom to layer. So for example, I want to take some district from the North Bengal. Okay, so zoom here. So I have to select only some district. So you can also click here, go to open a table. You can see here within this table, we can see here the district name as well as the state name. Okay, so I want to now I have to select the second method, that is by the selection of this, you can say the selected feature. So simply click here, click here. So first you can say the vector layer I have already selected, but if you want to the second mode, so you should click on your keyboard, that is, or press your shift button on your, you can say the keyboard on your computer. Then after the pressing of, you can say shift, you should select the second the vector layer. So first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, you can say seventh, eighth. Okay, so I want to select all of this, you can say district boundary. I want to export only this. So similar method, after the selection of this, click on this here, go to data and click on export data. Okay, and then you can see here the output location. So I want to save within this arc2, like I can write here district. Okay, then click on save, click on OK. And do you want to add? Yes, I want to add this layer. So now I want to uncheck this. So now after that you just click here, zoom to layer. So you can see here the district boundaries only I have successfully, you can say, extract. Okay, so now we'll learn how to merge, how to union, how to cleave, how to dissolve, how to buffer map create, etc. So at first you can see here within the geoprocessing toolbar, you can see here buffer, cleave, intersect, union, merge, dissolve, etc. Okay, so at first we want to do the dissolve. That means I want to only this boundary. That means I want to only the outlier, or you can say outline boundary of these districts. So how we can dissolve or merge all of this vector file within a one single window. So just simply click here geoprocessing, go to dissolve, select input feature. So I want to select input feature as a district because this feature is known, the name of this feature is now district. Okay, then click here. So then you can see here the output feature class. So I want to define the output feature. I want to write here district dissolve, or district boundary you can write. Now the dissolve field optional. Okay, by the state name, by the district name, or by the feet. So you may check all of this, or you may check simply, or you may not check anything. So I want to check only this feet. Then click on OK. So now we can see here district dissolve. So uncheck this, and you can see only the outline boundary you can see here. So this is the simple method by which we can easily dissolve. Okay, so now we'll learn how to create buffer map. Okay, so for example, you can see here this is the polygon boundary. So I want to create buffer map on the basis of this polygon boundary. So how can you do? Simply go to georeferencing tool, click on this buffer. Okay, and within this you should select the feature. So I want to select this district dissolve. Okay, then the output feature. So simply click here and write, you can say district dissolve buffer. Okay, and one thing you should always remember, we are unable to give any space in between two, you can say, word. You always use underscore because ArcGIS only you can say allow underscore within this line. So you should always use underscore. Okay, then click save, then click on OK. Oh sorry, you can see here the distance value field. So you should give the distance value. So you can select here meter, feet, etc. like that. So I want to select kilometer because whatever, kilometer, my meter, mile, millimeter, you can select anything. So I want to select kilometer, and I want to create buffer map from the boundary about 2 kilometer. That means from this boundary map to 2 kilometer I want to create a buffer map. So here I write 2 kilometer. Okay, then click on OK. So within few seconds buffer map will produce. You can see here buffer process is going on within this the bottom portion. Okay, so you can see our buffer map already created, but I think we have some confusion. Is it you can say appropriate or not? So what we can do, simply you just click it here and drag it above. So you can see here this is, or I can change the color also. So simply click here, click take it red or other things. I think green is okay. So okay, so this is my actual map. Okay, district dissolve. But I can also change the color of buffer map. So I want to take the color as a yellow. Okay, so now you can see that 2 kilometer buffer from this actual map you can see very well. So by that using this tool you can easily do any buffer map. Now today we'll learn how to, you can say, export the image. Similarly, I want to do buffer map of find feature, so I want to uncheck this. Okay, uncheck this. So go to catalog, and here I have one point map, so I want to open this. So you can see here this is my point. Okay, if I enlarge this, or you can say simply go to table of content, click here and click on zoom to layer. Okay, so you can see here there is several point is there, okay, within this map. Or you may change the color of point also. Simply click here. You can take any symbol from here also. So I want to take some colorful or easily visible, that is here, and to check the red color. Okay, so now you can see here the point. Okay, so you can see here the point. Okay, so I want to create the buffer map on the basis of 2 points. So how can I do? Simple, go to georeferencing, click on buffer. Okay, and select this point feature, select the output. So right here point buffer, click on save and click on the kilometer, and I want to take the 10 kilometer buffer from that point. Okay, and click on OK. So you can see here process is going on, and if I click on this point buffer, okay, then click on zoom to layer. So you can see here this 2 point create the 10 kilometer buffer point from here. Okay, so you may change the buffer color also. Click here, go to, you can say take it to blue. So this blue color shows your the buffer point. Now question, can I do the multiple buffer? Yes, you can do your multiple buffer from this point, or you can say any polyline or polygon feature. So now we'll learn something new, that is I use today now we'll use the search option. Rather you can say select any you can say the arc toolbar from this arc toolbox. So now we'll learn how to use this search option. Select this search, and within this search option, okay, within search option you should click here like this, remove the previous one, and simply write here buffer. Okay, then click here search option. So you can see here buffer analysis, multiple ring buffer, etc. like that. Okay, so many things you can see here. So today we'll learn a multiple buffer, or you can also see here the buffer analysis tool. Sometimes we forget to know that in which toolbox the buffer option is there. So you can also navigate from here also, so where this buffer you can say option is there. So you can see here buffer coverage and multiple ring buffer. So simply click here within this multiple ring buffer. You can see here multiple ring buffer. Input feature, I want to select this point and select the output feature. Simply click here and write point, then multi, then buffer. Okay, save. Now you can see a distance. Okay, so I want to take, you can say 2 kilometers. First one the 3 kilometer buffer, then click here add, then 5 kilometer add, then 10 kilometer add, and last one the 15 kilometer add. So I want to take, or I want to create 4 buffer from the point feature. So I select 3, 5, 10 and 15. Now I want to you should assign the, you can say the buffer unit. So select here and select the kilometer. So that means 3, 5, 10 and 15 kilometer. Okay, so everything is successfully done, then click on OK. Now you can see here the multiple ring buffer is going on. Okay, so click here table of content, uncheck all of this. Okay, all of this I want to see only multiple ring buffer according to my point feature. Yes, process is complete. You can click here and click zoom to layer. So you can see here the 5 layer on the basis of 2 points. So you can change the color also. For example, I want to take click here Just select this green, and I will also change the color of the boundary also. You can see here the color boundary or outline color is ash color, so I want to take black, as well as I can increase the outline width also. Okay, so you can see here. Similarly, you can select this one, can change the color, can change the outline also, can increase the outline width also. Similarly, third one, select here, take it this, click here, can increase your, then click OK. Then the last one, click here, you may select anything. I think I want to select this one, click here, improve, then OK. So you can see here very precisely the multiple ring buffer within this image. So you may click here district dissolve. Okay, simply district zoom to layer, so you can check it. So within this district dissolve, or you can see only district only. Within the district boundary, you can see here this multiple buffer. You can check, uncheck everything. Okay, so this is your map. Okay, so now we will learn how to clip any, you can say the land use land cover image, or you can say any landscape image, or you can say any dim image. How can we, you can say that how we can clip that image. I want to go to here, and I want to select any landscape band, that is I think band set 2, 3. Okay, band set 4 is okay. So I want to select this. And I know that this band actually covering this area. It's okay. So again, minimize this, go to table of content, and you can take it here also, and also you can take it here or below the district. Okay, below the district. So you can see here district also, you can see here. Yes, you can say that I want to clip this, you can say the satellite image on this district. So you can see here, if we select here, you can see here this is the individual district. If I want to clip the satellite image of this district, at first we need to, you can say, separate the district from this all district layers. So for that at first I want to, you can say, the export, okay, this district. So how can you do? Simply go to your you can say the district. Okay, click here, go to data, select export data, and click here. I want to select, I know that this district, so this is KV Koch Bihar, okay, KV district. Okay, then click on OK, save button. Okay, so you can see here, yes, I want to add layer. So now I can uncheck this. Okay, so you can see here, I can take it upper portion, and you can see here, so landscape 4 band as well as the district. So for that you should simply use the arc toolbox. Within this arc toolbox we can use the spatial analysis tool. Within this spatial analysis tool you can see here extraction, and within this extraction you can see here the extract by the mask. Okay, this is the process, but we can also do from search option. Simply write here mask, M-A-S-K, and click here. So you can see here extract by mask also. So this is the shortcut method, but you should do always arc toolbox. By that you can easily know which toolbox has which kind of, you can say, activity. So extract by mask, simply click here. Then input feature, raster feature, because this landscape band 4 is a raster feature, so select this one, and input raster or feature mask. That means by which, you can say, feature I want to, you can say the extract, or you can say clip this landscape band. So should select this KV district, because I want to clip some areas from this satellite image by the help of, you can say, this KV Koch Bihar, or you can say by the Koch Bihar district. So then you can simply click here OK. So it will take you can say some few seconds or minutes according to your configuration, machine configuration. Okay, so you can see here extract by mask completed. So what I can do, I can uncheck this KB Coach Vihar, then point multiple buffer, then the last one, this Lancet band 4, and you can see here only this Coach Vihar boundary. Okay, this extractive. So click here and click here zoom to layer. So you can see here, this is the satellite image of you can say this Coach Vihar. So I can now I can you can say also you can say check in all. I can also check this Coach Vihar district also, but you can see disappear this extractive, that means that the Lancet image, but we can see also this here. Simply click here, and from this the symbol selector you can see a hello. Simply select this hello option and click on OK. Or you can also change the color boundary. I want to give the you can say boundary as a red. I can increase, then click on OK. So you can see here the boundary as well as the you can say the Lancet image. Not only that, if I want to check this point multiple buffer, you can also see here, because the layer by layer, the first layer is KV district, or you can say this maybe you can take in below. Okay, then you can see the extractive. This is the you can say the band of satellite image, and this is the multiple buffer. Okay, so you may change also the color also if you know, if you want to change color as well as other thing. So these are the basic you can say things that we can do within this ArcGIS. So last, within this tutorial we will learn how to you can say export the image. Okay, for example, if I want to save this as a image or a shapefile or as a you can say study area, so simply click here the layout view. So you can see here in this layout view, this is the portrait mode. But if I want to this you can say the layout view as a landscape, so simply click anywhere here, right click here, go to page and print properties. Okay, and simply select within this landscape operation. Okay, click on OK. So you can see here, so you now need to adjust with this you can see the output. So simply select here, go here, go here, and now you can see here within this frame our map is actually not fitted, so you can also fit. Now you can use this fit, you can say the symbol, this symbol also as well as this symbol. If I click here, you can see here my figure always increase, or you can simply click here within this data view. Okay, and within this KB district, okay, because KB is the largest you can say area, click here and click zoom to layer. So you can see here zoom to layer, and now you can click here this layout view, and you can see here. Not only that, you can also increase or decrease by you can see using this tool. This, if you click this, you can see here the map actually enlarging, and this tool actually used for the map decreasing. Okay, so you should also know all of this thing. Okay, so now if you want to add some headings, then you can say the scale bar, not line, etc., or you can say the grid also. You should watch the next video, which is related to you can say the how to create the study area map or how to create a layout map. But here I have to show something like that. If within this insert, you can see here the north line. So select any north line from here. Okay, and take it. So this is the north line. Okay, again you can select the scale also, select anyone and select this, and all of these properties you will learn in the you can say the next tutorial that is related to it will be you can say how to create the study area map, and there we'll learn all of these properties very well. Okay, and you can also give the title of that, so you can use that this you can say the drawing tool also. You can see here the text button. Okay, simply click here and write the name, you can say the study area, only study area of the selected feature. Okay, this is take as a, you can say, example. Okay, after then you can easily select this, use this the types of, you can say, or you can say simply click here, go to change symbol, and you can select from here Time New Roman, size also you can select here, bold, etc. Then click on OK, then click on OK. So you can see here, and now finally you can adjust here, or you can also use this drawing tool also. Simply select here this line, then go to here, you can reduce the font size, increase the font size. You may also change the color of font size, okay, by using this. Okay, you can take any kind of, or you can say the color of your font, or you can say title or heading. Okay, so you can use this tool, or you can simply write like 32. So you can see here the 32. Okay, and again you can also change the, you can say the knot line, the scale, by selecting this. Not only that, you can also add the legend also. Click here, go to legend and select here, everything is there. So click here, next, 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 so many things is there that we will learn within this the next tutorial, which is basically related with, you can say, the how to create study area map, and there I will definitely describe all of this thing very well. So legend also is there, but it is not, you can say, rectify. We should rectify this. We should, you can say, edit all of this legend option. So for the video length I want to stop here. After the, you can say, preparation all of this thing, you can export this image. So from here simply click here file, go to export image, but you can see here print preview as well as print. So you can see here print preview, just click here, you can see the print preview of your image. So which kind of, you can say, your image will be printed, and after the printing what will be the appearance of your figure. So this is like that. Okay, so you can cancel this. Similarly, you can also directly print from here by using this option, and you can also save this image as a different file format, just like, for example, TIFF file format, JPG file format, or you can say the other file format, just like PDF, BMP, PNG, TIFF, ZIP, etc. Anything you can do. So for example, I want to you can say save as a TIFF, because TIFF is a widely accepted, you can say, file format in term of remote sensing and GIS activities. Okay, so I want to save this as a study final. Okay, study final, study final map. But here you can see here the interesting is that is the resolution. So resolution is very much important. Dot per inch, DPI. You may decrease, you may increase, but the standard is 300 DPI. Okay, but according to your need you can increase the DPI, dot per inch. Okay, so I want to take is as a 300 DPI. Then after, then click on save. So we can see here within a few seconds your map will be saved. So you can see a process completed, and now I want to open that image. So for that, you can see here within this file from a study area final, I want to click this, and you can see here this is my final study area map. But though it is not completed because I have not put here the, you can say, grids, I not put here very properly the scale, the legends also, the heading also, but it's look like this. We can do our output map by this way. So please subscribe my channel for more video and more update. Thank you for watching.